Why is this internet slow now that I have to quickly upload my report? Oh no, not again. My village people are after me. When I'm supposed to send my report right before the deadline, this network starts to misbehave. Let me quickly restart and see if it will be better. Yippee! Now I am back. Village People 001 file uploaded before I can even say Jack Robinson. Thank God. Hope you are ready for this year's all-white party.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
I got my outfit from Zane Luxury Fashion Store on Insta.
You can check them out on Insta. They sell luxury and affordable fashion items.
You know me, I prefer bespoke designs, so I have my guy S.A. Taylor cooking something and I trust him to deliver any day. I am hungry. Is there anything I can nibble upon in your kitchen or fridge?
I have pané poisson if you want. Ooh, oh no, not again. This network is not working.
Hold on, don't restart it.
Why not?
A quick reset cools things down. Restarting your router can help in a few cases, such as when the router is overheating, a quick reset cools things down, or a reboot clears glitches. When the IP lease is stuck, it forces a fresh connection. Here's the catch. If your cable is damaged, restarting won't repair it. If your DNS server is failing, restarting won't magically resolve it. Or say, if your VLAN is misconfigured, a reboot won't fix the setup. The morale of the story is, think of restarting as a band-aid. It clears temporary issues.
It doesn't solve deeper problems with hardware, configuration, or your ISP. So if your internet keeps dropping, check your cables, verify your network settings, call your provider if needed.
Remember, restarting is a quick fix, not a cure-all.
Stay smart and troubleshoot wisely.
Follow for more tech tips.
Remember to follow for more tech sends.